Ho ho! Hello, my dear friends. Yes, it is me, Santa Claus. I am here to tell you my story today. Do you want to know how I became Santa? Do you want to know about Christmas? Come, sit down, get warm. Let me tell you everything. This is a long story, but it is a beautiful story. Are you ready? Then let me begin. My story starts a very, very long time ago, more than 1,700 years ago. But I was not Santa Claus then. No, no, I was just a boy. My name was Nicholas. I lived in a warm place near the sea. The place was called Myra. Today, people call it Turkey. I had a good family. We had money, we had food, we had a nice home. I was a lucky boy. But when I was young, something sad happened. My mother died. My father died. I was alone. But they left me something. They left me all their money. I was now a rich young man. I had gold. I had a big house. But I felt empty inside. I asked myself, what should I do with all this money? What is important in life? Then I remembered something. My parents always helped poor people. They always shared. They always gave. I thought, yes, this is what I must do. I will help people. I will make people happy. And that is how my journey started, my friends. One day, I heard a sad story. There was a man in my town. He was very poor. He had 3 daughters, 3 beautiful girls. But he had no money at all. In those times, girls needed money to get married. Without money, they could not marry. Without money, they had no future. The father was crying every day. "What will happen to my daughters?" he said. "What will they do?" I heard this story and my heart felt heavy. I thought, I must help them, but how? Then I had an idea. I would give them money, but I would do it in secret. Why? Because I did not want them to feel bad. I did not want them to thank me. I just wanted them to be happy. So, one night, when everyone was sleeping, I walked to their house. It was very dark, very quiet. I looked around. Nobody was there. Good. I took a bag of gold from my coat. I threw it through the open window. The bag flew through the air and landed in a shoe by the fire. The girl had left her shoes there to dry. I smiled. Then I walked away quickly. Nobody saw me. The next morning, the father woke up. He saw the gold. He could not believe it. "A miracle," he said. "A miracle." His first daughter could now get married. The family was so happy. But I was not finished. I came back another night. I threw another bag of gold. Again, it landed in a shoe. Now the second daughter could get married too. The father was confused. Who is doing this? He thought. Who is this kind person? When it was time for the third daughter, the father decided to stay awake. He wanted to see who was helping them. He hid by the window. He waited and waited. Then, in the middle of the night, I came. I threw the third bag of gold. But this time, the father saw me. He ran outside. "Nicholas," he said, "it was you! Thank you! Thank you!" I put my finger to my lips. "Shh," I said. "Please do not tell anyone. This is between us and God." But you know what? The father told everyone anyway. Soon, the whole town knew my secret. People started calling me the gift giver. As I grew older, I gave away more and more. I helped the sick. I helped the poor. I helped children. I helped sailors when there were storms at sea. I helped anyone who needed help. The people in my town loved me. They said, "Nicholas should be our bishop. He should lead our church." And so I became Bishop Nicholas. But I never stopped giving. I never stopped helping. I remember one winter. It was very cold. Many people had no food. I went to the rich people. I said, "Please share your food. There are children who are hungry." Some people said yes, some people said no. So I took my own food, my own bread, and I gave it away. I gave it all away. I wanted everyone to eat. I wanted everyone to survive the winter. You see, my friends, I believed something simple. We must help each other. We are all family. When one person is sad, we should all help. When one person is hungry, we should all share. I lived a long life. I helped many, many people. And when I died, people were very sad. But they did not forget me. No, they remembered me every year. After I died, something beautiful happened. People all over Europe heard my story. They loved it. They started celebrating my day, December 6th, St. Nicholas Day. Children would put their shoes outside their doors, and in the morning, surprise, candy inside, nuts inside, small gifts inside. Parents told their children, "If you are good, St. Nicholas will bring you gifts. If you are kind, if you share, if you listen, he will come." I loved this. Even in heaven, I was smiling. My message was spreading. Be kind, be good, give to others. Well, my friends, my story is finished. I hope you liked it. I hope it made you smile. I hope it made your heart feel warm. Remember, be kind, be good, believe in magic, and always, always keep the spirit of Christmas in your heart. Not just in December, every day, all year long. Now I must go. I have toys to make. I have lists to check. Christmas is coming. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas to all of you, and to all a good night.